Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will demonstrate how you can use Servo SG90 with Arduino. To make this small project, we need Arduino, Micro Servo Motor SG90, and jumper wires. Let's understand the pinout of this servo. That has 3 wires, red, brown, and orange. Connect red wire into the 5V of Arduino and brown into the ground pin. Now connect the orange wire to the digital pin number 9 of the Arduino. Connections are done. Connect the USB to upload the program. You can visit circuitmagic.com to check the wiring diagram and Arduino code. Right now we don't have any input to control the servo, so I am using a serial monitor to send the value for the servo rotation. In this code, we are reading the serial and passing the value to the right method of the servo object. And this will rotate the servo. I am sending some values using a serial monitor to test if it's working fine. And yes, the servo is rotating. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just comment below and subscribe to our channel.